out with us? What if they eat my brains?
It'll be a light meal.
Ruh-roh, Raggy. On this week's episode, we break out the infernal bender, and we do some more bends. Welcome back to Freak House Customs. Today we're going to build the top tube. We're going to use a piece of 1.5 inch and there's a couple complicated bends, not going to lie. We're going to see if I can even do this. If you remember from the drawing, it's supposed to come up here, across where I'm going to sit, up where my chest would go, straight across right about this high, straight across, down, and it's going to support the neck. If I can even do it right, hopefully it'll kick back far enough so I can weld the front engine, these front engine mounts to it. So hopefully I can get this right. I have 2 shots to do it. Maybe 3. Maybe 3. Maybe 3. We don't know. It's a mystery.
What part of the word mystery didn't you understand?
And we're going to solve it right now. Okay, good.
Going in circles, round and round, 7 days a week, round and round. Every time I see you, round and round, coming down the street, 7 days a week now, 7 days a week. It happens every time I see
Alright, so, number 1, I need a zip tie. Need a zip tie. Oh, please. I'm almost there. There we go. You, come with me. Alright, so, oofa toofa. I don't know if that's going to work. Okay, try this way. Yeep! So, see this? But this is going to wrap around the engine. This is almost, this will be the top tube. Once I get the, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to weld the neck here at right about 35 degrees. You see this? I don't know if you see this. Okay, so we're going to weld the neck on right here. That'll hold that. This is going to come down here. I got to obviously cut this. But as you can see, it wraps around the front of the engine. That is totally cool. And this is perfectly level with the ground. So now we're going to come across like this. Come across like this, and I'll have to bend it somewhere around here to start its way down. And then it's going to go down here. When it gets to here, then it's going to go 90 straight down. Or 90? Well, we'll see. We'll see. We have to use this piece. This is actually more than 90. Okay, we'll deal with that in a second. Okay, so we're going to go straight across here. It's going to come down here. I think that's going to be about a, not 45. We'll do another 30. We'll do a 30 there. bring that down. I'll sit on that part. That part's going to go right here. And then it's going to come back behind here. And then straight down where the swing arm will bolt to it. And that's what we're going to do.
It's that goony ghost again! Let's get over the iron door and after them!
Ba-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da. Got to love the world, be a friend. And when you're down, you got to get up again. And when you're blue, here's what you do to seem happy too. Come on now.
Seems legit.
Ba-da-da.
That's 50. That seems legit. So after making the first 3 bends, I suffered a camera malfunction. Doing the last 2, which is basically me turning the camera off when I thought it was on and turning it back on when I thought it was off. So I have no footage of the other 2 bends. But mystery solved. I was able to make them, and here's a lovely picture to prove it.
And I would have made millions if it hadn't been for you meddling kids.